Start by removing your old OEM mirror. Pull the inner mirror panel off. Remove the foam insulation. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the door lock. Remove the 3 panels using a flat blade screwdriver. One on the door pull, one behind the door handle, and one under the other door pull. Use a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove the 5 10mm nuts located behind the panels you just removed. Remove the door pull. Lift up and remove the switch panel. Disconnect and remove all the electrical connectors. Disconnect the wire harness from the door panel. Pull out on the bottom of the door panel to release it. Then lift up and pull your door panel off. Squeeze the tabs together at the end of the latch cable, then pull it out and remove the ball from the door handle. Then you can completely remove your door panel. Disconnect the mirror's electrical connector. Peel back the weather shield. Pull the electrical wires that connect to the mirror out from behind the metal support. Remove the plastic wire clips, then remove the 3 10mm nuts that hold the mirror into place. Be sure to support the mirror while removing the last nut. Be careful removing the mirror if your truck is equipped with rain guards. Pull out on the bottom and then pull down and remove your mirror. You can now install your new Trail Ridge mirror. Reinstall the 3 10mm nuts by hand. Then tighten them down with your socket, ratchet, and extension. Reinstall the wire clips. Feed your wires behind the metal support. Reconnect the wire harness. Reinstall your door panel by setting the top in and pushing down. You can then tap the bottom back into place. Reinstall the wire clip. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the switch panel. Reinstall the switch panel. Reinstall your door pull, and then reinstall the 5 10mm screws. Reinstall all the trim covers. Reinstall the foam insulation and the trim cover. Reinstall your door lock knob.